Hi friends, as a fashion photographer, I have to whiten teeth very often, and today we'll show how I do it. I think it's very fast, very easy, and the results are perfect. Stay with me and I'll show you. Here is one example from one of my photo sessions, and as we see, the teeth are not perfect. Let's make them a little more white. First, let's create a new hue saturation adjustment layer. With the picker tool, let's pick on the yellow part of the teeth, increase the hue and saturation to the maximum, and play with the slider to select only the teeth. Ignore the skin, we will mask it later. Okay, I think it's good enough for now. Back hue to 0 and decrease the saturation and increase the whiteness. I think it's good enough. Let's close this window. Now let's invert the mask with Ctrl Command I. Pick the brush with white color, opacity and flow to 100 and start painting only on the teeth. Be very gentle. Okay. No. Good. Let's see before and after, and I think to go back to the hue saturation layer and increase a little bit the range. Okay, do you see? That's better. Now I think the teeth are too white. That's why let's decrease a little bit the opacity, maybe 70. Okay, let's add a new curves adjustment layer. Click this to affect only the layer below, and let's add some shadows. Okay, I think it's good, and let's see before and after. I think it's perfect. This method is very fast, very easy and very powerful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel with the bell to not miss the notifications. Bye for now and see you soon.